Friends, let us see this question today. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now, let us solve this stepwise. Nature of the roots. Now, when we see this question, we remember the formula of discriminant. So first, we have to know how much is the value of d. Discriminant, that is formula is b square minus 4ac. First we'll find this value that is value of d. Then after getting the result, we will come to know what is the nature of the roots. So let us see step by step. So this ABC value we will get from this question itself, from here. Let us see what is the value of ABC. So A means coefficient of x square, that is 3. B means coefficient of x, that is minus 4 root 3. Minus 4 root 3. Along with the sign we have to take the value. And C means 4. So this ABC value will substitute here. So B minus 4 root 3 B square. So I'll put square. Minus 4 into A. A means 3. 4AC. C means 4. So B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC. So let us calculate how much here. Minus into minus is plus. 4 square, that means 4 4s are 16. Root 3 square, that means 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then here 4 3s are 12. 12 into 4. 12 4s are 48. Next step, 16 into 3, when we multiply we will get 48. And here also we have minus 48. So 48 minus 48 we got 0. So 0 we got the answer. That means value of D, that is discriminant, we got 0. Okay, now we'll come to the question. Nature of the roots. So what is the nature of the roots? If D equal to 0, what is the nature? Let us write now. So we'll do this way. Since D equal to 0, therefore the equation has, we can write this way also, the equation has real and equal roots. So what we need to remember is, if discriminant value is 0, then nature will be this one, real and equal roots. If discriminant is negative answer, less than 0, then we have to write the equation has no real roots. No real roots. So but here since we got 0 answer, then we have to write equation has real and equal roots. That is the answer.